Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm really glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Today is a special video. It is a collaboration to welcome a new boy to the world. His name is Cameron. So welcome, Cameron. And this is for his mom, Megan, and his grandma Barbara. So today I'm going to be doing a look for them from the Blue Blood palette, since we're doing blue for boys because that's the classic traditional, and it is a very beautiful palette indeed. I'm not sure what kind of angle I'm going to go in, but it's going to be fun, it's going to be pretty, and it's going to be just for them today. So let's put something in the crease. Let's start with Priceless right here, this nice nude color. Kind of a peachy color. It is beautiful. It's going on really nicely. I'm just putting it all over. This is a great and that is a super sweet base to get the look started with. Let's see, since it's supposed to be a blue look, let's get going with, ooh, so many different blues to choose from. Blues Clues. I'm gonna start with Ice Tray right here. And it's kind of a shimmer, so it's very beautiful. It is a gorgeous shimmer. And that is just beautiful. And these eyes are definitely sisters, not twins. So they are very similar in shape, but definitely not the same. And that is a bold way to start the eye look. I'm going to, there was just a little kick up in the pan. I'm going to go into Blue Blood right here. That is very bright blue, very Mimi Bobek from the Drew Carey Show. I'm going to have to start changing this up a little. I think that I'm going to go into Crystal Flesh here. Which is a beautiful peach shimmer. That is really pretty. And it's all such a beautiful shimmery look. Let's see. I feel like I need to go dark now. So I'm gonna go into actually a little brighter blue, Blue Monday. It's more of a purpley blue, which is adding some depth. And that is just really pretty. Let's get some blending going. Oh, it's just such a pretty look. But I feel like I need to add a little something. And there is Ocean Ice here, which is a daring glitter blue. So I'm gonna get a little glitter glue for the glitter blue. Okay, we've got the glitter glue in place. Tissue to wipe our fingers clean. I'm going to go in with my finger into Ocean Ice. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a mess. I'm making a mess. But it's very pretty. Let's see. All right. Dig in for a Jeffree Star highlighter. Ice cold. It is a brilliant white, icy. Now let's put a little of that ocean ice and blend it out. Much better. I think this looks very cool. Very cool indeed. And let's do some eyeliner. We're going to use the Lurella black eyeliner. This is such a big look. I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs mascara. Oh, I feel so glamorous. And for the lip, I need to go more subtle. So I'm going to go make sure I can read. Christmas cookie for my lip. Which goes with the soft pink blush I chose for my cheeks. And there we have it. Congratulations on the new addition to the family, Barbara and Megan. Welcome, Cameron. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Thanks. Bye.